Alright, talofa friends and family. Again, I am Mikaele of the Fire Knife Club, Mauga Mu, and thank you guys very much for joining us again on another video of Training with Mika. Choo-hoo! Alright friends and family, so for today's motion that I'm going to teach you guys, it's another very traditional motion that you're going to see, basic motion. It's one of the oldest motions that you learn. This motion is called kakai. Now kakai, it's looks like this, alright? So I'll just demonstrate it. It's a roll over your hand, just like that, alright? Just like that. So that's kakai. Now it's a very easy motion. I'll show you guys. Very easy. What you want to do, again, blade is always on the top, alright? This is my right hand. Blade is on the top of my right hand. First thing you want to practice is going like this, alright? So to do this one, pointing straight out. Now the blade is going to come onto the inside of your hand. So it's going to come towards you on the inside and pointing straight out again, and it's going to go to the outside. So inside, outside, inside, outside. Just like that. So very, very easy. So that's the first step. Alright. Now the second step you want to learn, you're going to come to the inside. Now when you go to the outside, like this. So when you come to the outside, you want to roll it over your hand, just like that, alright? So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, and then roll, alright? Just to get the hang of it. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, roll over your hand. See that? So it's very easy. This is kakai, just like this. Just roll over your hand. So you want to move your hand towards the back end of the knife, roll it, and you're just going to catch it on the front, alright? What you don't want to do is hold it at the front and roll it, because then you're just going to catch the blade, alright? So while you're doing this, you want to hold it towards the bottom side of this, alright? Got the knife, so you can roll it right over. Just like that, real easy, alright? So that's your right hand. So 1, 2, 3, roll. Alright, so again, the name of that motion is called kakai. 1, 2, 3, kakai. Then you're going to do it with your left hand, alright? Same thing on the inside, outside, inside. When it goes to the outside, you're going to roll it over your hand, just like that, alright? So kakai. Same thing, kakai. Kakai lalo vai, under the leg. So vili, spin, kakai, under the leg, alright? Same thing with your left, kakai, under the leg. Alright, so looking from the front view, it's going to look like this. Alright, so in, out, in, roll. You can go under the leg, your hand facing down, grab it. See how the blade is on the top? Again, kakai, under the leg, under the leg, tasi, lua, kakai. Alright? So that motion you could actually combine it to a lot of different, to make it look different. It's all the same motion, but you could go to the back. See? The kakai, right, under the leg, like that. You could go under this way. You could just stay on one leg like this. See how it's all rolling over the hand? Roll, 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 roll to the back. And then no legs. Just like so. Another very traditional motion, very, very easy. Alright, so there you have it. If you guys have any questions for me, please don't forget to leave it in the comments section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, if you guys like all the gears that I'm rocking, if you guys want to rock the same gears that I'm wearing, we actually have our website. It'll be in the description below. Also, don't forget to follow us on all of our social media pages. All that will also be in the description below. So family, remember, repetition is the father of learning. So keep practicing. Always put God first. Do it for your last name, not your first. Thank you for watching us and joining us again on another video of Tele Lava, Fa Soifua.